welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because today is my birthday party and a new care package came in. So I'm so excited. So this came from Mieux and I'm so excited. So let's get opening. And I got a toy pony, which is from Amazon. I always wanted to do this. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. No way! No way! The rug is so fuzzy! And the gloves. And here comes my favorite part, the head collar. I'm so excited. If I see the head collar, I can literally scream to death. It's packed up really tightly, which I don't like. At least it's cute. You see it. Oh my god, the Mieux, the burgundy logo. The lead rose like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. I want to get out of the package and see it. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I thought it was tiny. Oops, that was a good one. Oh my god. But this hat is not like secure in it. I'm keeping the box, okay? No matter what, I'm keeping the box. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. The head collar. Oh my god. This is so cool. It's like for the little ponies. I better not leave it here too long because it's kind of dirty. But now, time for the rug. This is actually a new color. It's a new color. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Look how big it is. I can't wait to put on the pony. Oh my god, here comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my god. I'm literally just so excited. I won't talk anymore, so let's get this opening. I'm coming, Flash. Oh, I named it Toffee, by the way. Even it's called Flash. I'm literally like screaming so loud. I don't want to talk even more. I just want to get this baby open. Flash! Oh my god! This is cute! You're so cute, Flash! You're so cute! No! Shut up! It comes with a steak! Oh, she was tiny! Wait, I'm gonna show my parents. Mommy! Look how adorable it is! Yes! It's so cute! Oh my god, you're so cute! You're sleeping with me! Oh my god, you're so cute! Let me just calm down. But you're so cute! It has a little mouth! Oh my god! And it says Mieux! No way! Oh my gosh! This is so cute! And it comes has the forelock. This is massive. I thought she was tiny. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You can't stop talking now. Wait, where's the head collar? Where's that? Oh, phew, the head collar's there. Now it's time to put on the baby head collar. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna play with this for hours. Oh my god, this is just so cute. This is so cute. I don't know how to put a head collar on, but okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm just freaking out so much. I'm literally just freaking out so much. It's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, literally, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Look how cute he is. Oh my god. And it also rolled up like this. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm literally freaking out so much. Oh my god. Oh. It rolls up like this. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, you're so cute. And it looks like this. Oh my god. This is so cute. Look. Hi, Flash. Oh my gosh. So cute. I wasn't expecting a forelock to be so big though. I'm gonna give you a popcorn look. Oh my god. I think that some of them are for the... Yeah, some of them are for the... Yeah, that's the main, I think. Yeah, that's for the main. I'm getting confused because they're kind of messed up. Oh, it's so cute. And now time for the cuteness time. The rug. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is absolutely adorable. Oh my god. Flash, you look so adorable. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let me just move the box out of the way. Oh my god. Mommy, look. So cute. There's so many boxes in the way.
This is yours, isn't it?
What? Which?
It's the stable.
I know. This is what I'm talking about, Mommy. Wait, what do I do now? Is it the other way I'm supposed to do it? I'm getting kind of confused with this. How do you Velcro it? Oh, you just do like that. Oh my god, Flash, you're so adorable. Wait, I think I need to go one more loop. Oh, Shelby Duck. This is my little friend. Mommy, look. Cancel. Oh, he's so cute. And Duck is so cute. Oh my gosh, but let me just... Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm gonna play with this for hours. Hours and hours. Oh my god. I don't know how to put this on, but I think I put it on the wrong way. Oh yeah, it's not supposed to be twisted. Oh, I get it now. Oh my god! And look, you get to put the tail in the loop. Oh my god. Oh my god! Flash, you're so cute. I think some of the bits are for the mane, but look how adorable it is. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god, so cute. I thought she was tiny. And it rolls up like this. Oh my god. And then I think I know how to roll up the little lead rope. I think it goes like this. Let me just like, and then you like roll up together until it's like short. You let me just like do it again because I think I'm getting kind of messed up. But it's so adorable. I literally even can't cope. This is adorable. I'm literally so happy. And this was actually worth it because this is so expensive. Mine is actually not that neat though, but it doesn't matter. This is the bad part, but look, it's really cute. Oh my god. It's so fuzzy. Oh my god, I'm gonna play with this for hours. Good boy. And he'll pack because he's a good boy. Let me just see this. Let me just see the stitching. Let's just talk about how beautiful this burgundy. Look how beautiful this silverware is. It has it's like a little braid in a knot. And same with the other side. I'm still kind of working out how to do this. You're supposed to do like that, but it's too loose, so I just changed it. To do like this instead. Oh my god, this is the best day ever. Literally the best day ever. I literally am so happy. Oh, and I just noticed the cable eyelashes. And this is, oh my god, I'm such gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry. Oh, so cute. If you like Flash, and there's more presents coming, don't forget to like this part. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, some mail work stuck in there. I might need to give a little brush. I don't have sets, but whatever. But before I end the video, let's try to put this together. I think, if I know how to. Oh, I think I need to bend some bits because I don't know why I need to bend some bits, but I just bent a little bit because I need to bend that bit, and I have no idea where the other bits are, but oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, the staple is so cute. Now I think the other side, yeah, we need to like build it by ourselves, so it's not personally like they made it for us, but that's okay. Now I need to bend that other bit. It's actually kind of hard to bend it a little bit. It just needs some time. Okay, now that's the roof. Oh my god. And it has a little button. This is actually harder than it looks to build it, but it just needs some time. Okay? Hannah still sorting out I'm still sorting out the stable thing. Still sorting out the car, so yes, I done it! Hooray! Now I just need to like press those against each other and these like together. It's actually separate, so it's gonna be kind of hard. And I love how it's Velcro because if you just like stick it together, it won't be easy. Oh. It doesn't matter to be perfect. I think that needs to go inside. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put Flash, our cute pony, inside the lorry. Oh my god, this looks so cute. 幾得意！
哇，咁大嚿嘅！
跟住可以齊先好難齊啊！因為其實要自己齊嘅呢啲。傻死你！ If you like this part, if you like this video, don't forget to like this part, subscribe, and I'll see you in my second part. Bye!